In the years after independence, Africa was free but not united. Leaders from across the continent dreamed of something greater, a union that would protect their hard-won freedom, defend sovereignty, and give Africa one voice in the world. From the vision of Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana to the cautious steps of others, unity became the burning question of a new generation. In May 1963, 32 African nations gathered in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. The air was electric with hope. Haile Selassie, Ethiopia's emperor, welcomed leaders from all corners of the continent. Some pushed for immediate political union, others for gradual cooperation. But all agreed, Africa could no longer be silent or divided. On May 25, 1963, Addis Ababa became the beating heart of African unity. Leaders gathered in a grand hall, their faces carrying the weight of history. Nkrumah, Selassie, Nyerere, and others took their seats, not as divided nations, but as a continent rising. In that hall, speeches thundered. Some called for immediate unity, others for gradual cooperation. But together, they planted the seed of what would become the Organization of African Unity. The debates were fierce. Some leaders, like Nkrumah, demanded a United States of Africa, one army, one currency, one destiny. Others urged caution, fearing the loss of their new independence. Haile Selassie reminded them that unity was not a choice, but a survival. At that moment, compromise gave birth to a powerful symbol, the Organization of African Unity, a beacon of hope for generations to come. The Organization of African Unity was born, not perfect, but powerful. It became the voice of Africa against colonialism and apartheid, giving strength to liberation movements from South Africa to Mozambique. Though divisions remained, the OAU carried a single message. Africa would never again be a playground for empire. Its creation marked the dawn of a new era, with a dream of freedom stretched across the continent like the rising sun. The Organization of African Unity lit a torch that still burns today. From struggles and victories came the African Union, carrying forward the dream of continental unity. The OAU was not perfect. It stumbled, it faced divisions, but it gave Africa a common voice, a platform to declare, "We are one people with one destiny." That day in Addis Ababa was not just the birth of an organization. It was the birth of a promise still echoing through every African heartbeat.